Hey guys, Penny here from Monaco Nail Academy. The video you're about to watch is actually taken directly from one of our Salon Success courses, Marketing and Social Media. We share these lessons occasionally on our channel, but the Marketing and Social Media course has over 100 lessons on everything from branding and photography through to time management and budgeting, plus covers all major social media platforms and how to utilize them for your salon. So if you want to get the full immersive course experience, head over and check it out on our website. Links are below and payment plans are available. Along with the lessons, you get access to a private Facebook group with heaps of support, interactive challenges and implementation tasks to help you actually use what you learn, as well as lots of templates and downloads to make everything that wee bit easier. Before we move on, please hit like on this video and subscribe to our channel. And now, without further ado, here's the lesson. The same piece of marketing that communicated who you are needs to also communicate how you can help the viewer, the person seeing the piece of marketing. Even a picture of the last set of nails or brows that you did, your massage setup or your makeup station does this in some small way. It shows, for example with nails, that you can help people who want those exact nails. No matter what service you offer, over time, a potential customer might learn that you can help people express themselves, or repair damage, or fix a flaw, or relax. The "or" in that sentence is actually really important. We don't want people to think that you can do everything, because no one does everything and does it well. We want a small number of people to think that you do one thing and do it really, really well. I know the idea of a small number of people is confusing, and it will likely be an uphill battle for me to convince you that small is the right way to go. But listen when I say Louis Vuitton can make the same money from one sale that you can make from an entire year's work, and then tell me quantity is the only way. People prioritize qualities like self-expression, damage repair, flaws, and relaxation differently. You might believe you can offer all of these things, and I believe that you probably can at a literal level. But as a customer, I want one of these things more than any other. Rather than trying to please everybody, decide what you can help them with, and then from that, what you most want to help with, and then seek out the customers that want that one thing. This is called finding a niche or niche marketing. Are you a boutique? Are you all about speed and getting customers out the door and onto their next appointment of the busy day? Are you all about creativity and original ideas no matter how long they take to do? Think about hygiene, organic products, cruelty-free products, high-end products. The list of potential niches is endless. The way we market your business changes depending on your answer. Comment in the comments box at the bottom of this page and tell me, what is your niche? What are you going to focus on? Although the process of deciding on a niche can seem a bit daunting, especially for commitment phobes, what if I want to do something else later? What if no one likes what I choose? I'll tell you a secret. You already have a niche. Think about your competitors, and you may have already done a similar exercise if you've done earlier Salon Success modules. What makes you different from them? What do clients say is the reason they come to you? When a client tells their friends about you, what do they say? Make a list of your favorite clients and write down next to each name, why do they love you so much, that individual person? Every business has a difference or a niche, but not every business owner knows how to articulate that difference so that potential customers know why they should buy from you. Why would you buy from McDonald's instead of cooking at home? Pause this and write down the answer. Don't just listen to me, but really think about the answer. Go on, pause. I'll wait. Why would you choose to buy from a supermarket instead of a farmer's market? Why would you order clothes from an online retailer over a main street boutique. All businesses have a niche. I'm not asking you to decide on one, although you can if you want. I'm asking you to find the niche that is already there. Then, together, we can work out how to articulate that difference to people who don't know you yet. I can tell you from personal experience that the niche is usually hiding in plain sight. I named Monaco when it was a home salon, thinking I wanted to offer luxury services, but quickly realizing people came to me for my nail art. We surveyed customers a few years later, asking what they loved about coming to us and looking for ways to up our professionalism, only for them to say they loved how relaxed it was and how they got to pet my dog. Once we have a niche, we will need to remember that it's not just the different features of your business that matter here, but how those features benefit the customer. I don't care that you're fast. I care that because you're fast, I'm going to have more time in my day. I care that I'm going to make my meeting on time, that I'm going to be able to achieve everything I had planned for the day. I don't care that you're good. I care that because you're good, I'm not going to have to come back for repairs or touch-ups. I can stretch out the time between my appointments and I can push the limit of my designs. I don't care that you do hand scrubs or head massages or hot facial towels at the end of every appointment. I care that for a brief minute of my day, I don't have to worry about bills or kids or groceries or deadlines. See the difference? It's your job to identify the niche, but when it comes to marketing, I want to know how you can help me. The niche serves that purpose, but make sure you speak my language when you tell me about it. In marketing speak, this niche is also referred to as a USP or unique selling proposition. The Warehouse, Walmart, or Target's USPs are bargains. Levi's, Country Roads, their USPs are quality. A thrift store's USP is uniqueness and sustainability. Gucci's USP is prestige. Don't forget, comment below and tell me, what is your niche? What are you going to focus on, and what is ticking in that brain of yours after this lesson?